If there's one thing you learn on Isabela Island in the Galapagos, it's that every day brings a new array of stunning natural diversity. Animal and plant species live in spectacular geologic formations with little fear of humans. It is amazing how quickly the landscape changes in a simple bus ride here in the Galapagos. As we rode along in our bus, we saw sandy beaches, then wetlands, arid lands consisting of a jagged lava rock formations, and finally lush green vegetation in the highlands. The landscapes in the Galapagos are mostly due to oceanic volcanic activities. Each time a volcano erupted, it would form large lava rocks known as lava rocks. These jagged formations make crossing impossible in certain areas and kept tortoise species from intermingling on Isabela Island, which has 5 different volcanoes. Unable to cross the rock, tortoises from each volcano developed into 5 different species. We hiked by Volcan Chico and witnessed the rock, which has very sharp and jagged edges with which one can easily injure themselves. Hiking from Volcan Sierra Negra to Volcan Chico, you can easily see the different stages of lava rocks after a volcanic eruption. Over time, the lava rocks take on a rusty color because of oxidation. It takes at least 70 years before plant life can start growing again. We saw wide-leaved and thin-leaved Darwin's bushes on the volcanoes, which are actually the only places in the world to find them. Along the white sandy beaches, one can easily see a variety of birds, especially on cliff edges. According to scholars, the blue-footed boobies nest mainly on the crater floors. They are the most common birds of the Galapagos. It's an amazing sight to see these birds diving into the water to hunt for food. Masked boobies are common but not in comparison to the blue-footed boobies. They are normally seen on cliffs and sea edges. According to the literature, these are the only birds to have an annual breeding cycle. Most birds breed seasonally. Meanwhile, frigate birds perch on the few Palo Santo trees there are. The name in English means holy stick, and it is derived from the fact that this tree flowers around Christmas time. It's fun to see the male frigates show off their bright red pouches during courtship. The bigger the pouch and nest, the better their chances are with the female frigate. And of course, what the Galapagos is most known for and named after are the giant tortoises. Giant tortoises have diminished greatly in number due to hunting and the removal of eggs. But due to conservation efforts, the tortoises' numbers are now back on the rise. The breeding season for tortoises is around the end of the hot season, and mating may last for several hours. The tortoises lay between 2 to 16 eggs. During our encounter with tortoises, it was interesting to hear the tortoises hiss, which is actually an involuntary sound caused by the retracting of the head into the shell. Now the tortoises are protected and they have a breeding center on Isabela Island where we were able to see 3 species of tortoises: the dome-shaped tortoise, saddleback tortoise, and the flat-shelled tortoise. The Galapagos would not be what they are today without the giant tortoises or any of the other species endemic to this one-of-a-kind archipelago. A place so pristine it is matched by no other, the Galapagos offers a window into a world untouched by humans.